Making a cash sale in Reckon One is really easy. To record a cash sale or a receipt of cash, go to Day to Day, then select Receive Money. On the list screen, you'll see a list of previous receipts. To enter a new cash sale, click the Add button. A new Receive Money transaction screen will appear, and mandatory fields are marked with a red asterisk. First, enter the transaction date. The receivable type will automatically be set to Accounts Receivable. Next, select a customer from the Contacts field. If your customer does not exist yet, click on the Add Contact option to create a new customer. Just a note, if you don't want the sale attributed to a specific customer, you'll need to set up a generic customer to apply to these receipts. Next, select the bank account to which the receipt will be made. If you would like to enter the exact amount of the receipt, untick the Use Transaction Total checkbox and enter the amount in the Amount field. Otherwise, leave it ticked. Add any other relevant information for this transaction. To enter the details for this transaction, click on the New tab to allocate a new transaction. In the first row, start entering the transaction details. For example, add an account like income. Next, in the tax code field, select the appropriate tax code. In the amount field, you'll enter the amount according to your selection for default sales figures in your tax settings as either gross or net. In this example, our settings have been set to gross, so I'll enter a gross amount of $1,000. You can add additional entries to this transaction by clicking the Add New Row button. Let's now add an item by selecting it from the Item field. You'll note that some information about the item will be pre-filled from its item setup. You can change any of these selections as you need. Next, enter a quantity. Next, enter a tax code if it hasn't already populated from the item setup information, or change the existing tax code if you need to. The amount and tax amount will calculate from the item price and quantity. If you would like to add a discount to the item, you can do so by adding a percentage or dollar value in the discount field for the line item. The amounts for the item will recalculate automatically. The total amount listed above will also update automatically. If you've made any mistakes, you can simply click on any field to change its selections. Any line items can be associated to a project if required. If you would like to reorder any of the rows, simply click on the double-headed arrow on the left of any row and drag it up or down to reorder. When you're done, click on Save and Close. You'll be taken back to the Receive Money list screen where you'll see your new transaction listed. Thanks so much for watching. For more help and support, please visit us at help.reckon.com or join our community at community.reckon.com.